Hello guys, welcome back to Soul Shower and welcome to today's gentle flow practice. This is going to be a really beautiful, short, soft and gentle flow, perfect for those days where you want to take it a little easier, you want a slightly more gentle and chill vibe. So when you're ready, come and meet me on your mat. And we are going to begin in a child's pose today. So allowing the knees to come wider than the hips, big toes touch, sinking those hips back, reaching the arms forwards, and the forehead comes down. And as you arrive here in this child's pose, allowing your next breath to be the deepest breath you've taken all day, filling up the entire body. And as you exhale, sighing it out through the mouth, letting it all go. Allowing the forehead to rock gently from side to side. Allowing the body to begin to become heavy. Allowing everything to melt fully. Allowing the third eye, the space in between the eyebrows, to begin to press down onto the mat if it can. Allowing the breath to move in and out of the nose with ease. Allowing the shoulders to drop. Taking this moment here to set an intention for this time we have on our mats today. Maybe there's an area of your life that you need to be a little bit more gentle with. Maybe it's being gentle with yourself. Taking a deep breath in, filling up the body. And as you exhale, let those shoulders drop, let everything go. On your next inhale, reaching both hands over to the right side, left hand comes on top, forehead comes down. Filling up the side body, deep inhale and exhale. Then as you inhale, coming to the opposite side. Breathing through the side body and exhale. Then as you inhale, placing the hands down onto the mat and gently making your way up to all fours. Shoulders are over the wrists, hips are over the knees. And as you arrive, just begin to drop the belly, lift the chest. Exhale, round the back, tuck the chin. Inhale, lifting the chest, closing down the eyes, and just taking any wiggles that would feel good. Got about 5 breaths here. Allowing this to feel quite gentle, quite soft. Well done. If you want these to turn into like mini spinal waves, you can. You have about 2 more breaths here. On your next exhale, coming to a neutral spine. And then we're making our way to a comfortable seat. So you might just want to sit back onto the heels. You may want to come cross-legged or even extend the legs out in front of you. From here, we inhale, reaching the arms up, palms come to touch. Hands come to heart center, coming back to that intention, reaffirming it here, filling up the body. And as you exhale, letting it go. Inhale, reaching those arms up. Exhale, left hand comes down, reaching the right arm up and over. Option to come onto the elbow. Inhale here. Exhale, sweep the right arm around, reaching the left arm up and over. Breathing into the side body, well done. Inhale. Exhale, sweeping forwards, swapping sides. Exhale, changing sides. 2 more like this on each side. Maybe you close down the eyes and just begin to move with the breath. The exhale rounds you forwards, takes you to the other side. The inhale reaches that top arm up and over. Remember, you can be on the fingertips if that feels better. Last one. Inhale. And then as you exhale, just start to reach the hands forward. This may look like a closed like child's pose, or it's going to look like some kind of forward fold depending on how the legs are. Doesn't matter here. Maybe you tend the fingers, giving this chest a little bit more space to melt down. And just wiggling through the shoulders here. Beautiful. Deep breaths in and out. Beautiful. Inhale, rolling up through the spine, sitting in that seat, whatever it looked like today. From here, right hand reaches towards left ear and allowing those left fingertips to come to the ground. Lengthening through the left side of the neck. Beautiful, deep inhales. Exhale, can the shoulders drop? And then as you inhale, swapping sides, allowing those right fingertips to reach down, left hand towards right ear. Now we're not pushing here, we're just allowing the weight of the hand and the arm to guide everything down. Beautiful. Exhale, gently releasing, hands come onto the knees and just taking circles of the head, nice and slowly here. Allowing the right ear to come towards the right shoulder, chucking the chin in, left ear towards left shoulder. And swapping sides. Beautiful. Well done. 2 more breaths. From here, placing the hands down, and we're making our way up to a downward facing dog. So allowing the feet to be hips width distance, hands are shoulder width distance here. Well done. And allowing yourself to bend one knee and then the other. Well done. Allowing the shoulders to roll back. Beautiful. Allowing those heels to really soften down to the mat. On your next inhale, we're moving through a spinal wave, so rounding forwards, high plank, lower the hips, ripple up. Exhale, bending through the knees, shifting the hips back. As you inhale, start to lift the right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, knee to nose, step it through, drop the back knee, find yourself here in a low lunge. Looking forward, lowering through those hips. Well done. From here, keeping the hands down on the ground. Exhale, shifting back, halfway splits, flexing the front foot. You may want blocks or any props underneath the hands if you have them nearby. Deep breath in and fold. As you inhale, come forwards to your low lunge. Exhale, shift back, half splits. Inhale, come forwards, look up. Exhale, coming back, trying to keep the tummy onto the thigh. 2 more. Beautiful. Exhale, shifting back. Inhale, shifting forwards. Planting that right hand down, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, reaching that right arm up. Beautiful. Now as you're here, hopping the back foot forward so that the right leg crosses over the left leg. You're facing the side of your mat in the shoelace pose. Let me show you that transition again. We're in this easy twist. Hop the left leg forwards, right leg stacks on top. Well done. And as you arrive here, reaching the arms up, exhale, hands come to heart center, allowing the left elbow to hook onto the right knee, creating this twist. Sitting up nice and tall. The exhales twist you deeper. Beautiful, well done. Good job, guys. Deep inhales. Exhale, twist. And as you inhale, slowly coming back to center, unraveling the top leg, releasing it out. So we're in a Janu Shirshasana here. Left leg comes in towards the thigh, flexing the right foot. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Little twist so the heart is in line with the toes. Exhale, fold. Well done. Allowing the forehead to come down. Allowing the lips to soften. Beautiful. Just simply reaching for whatever's in sort of your sight here. So whether it be the leg, the ankle, a strap, maybe the foot. Simply allowing yourself to melt. Well done. And as you inhale, reaching the arms up. Left hand comes behind the hip. Inhale, sweep the right arm up and over, taking a stargazer's pose along the long edge of your mat. Exhale, sitting yourself back down. Now from here, both hands come to the front of the mat, placing the right leg back. A little bit of strength moves you into a pigeon pose. Just as much as you need to here. Well done. Little wiggles, getting that weight into the middle. And then when you feel ready, making your way down, maybe onto the forehead, maybe onto the elbows. Beautiful. Deep breath in. Exhale, melting. Simply breathing into this hip space. If little rocks back and forth would feel nourishing here, please feel free. Well done. Tucking the back toe under and stepping back to your downward facing dog. Gentle breath in, filling up the body. Exhale, let the heart space melt back. Well done. Now from here, start to come onto the tiptoes, tend the right finger, allowing both knees to drop over to the left side, looking through under the arm, deep side bend. Inhale, center, tend the left fingers, taking it over to the left side, gazing under the left armpit. Exhale, coming back to center, let those hips melt down. Inhale, lifting the left leg up. Exhale, bringing the left knee in, stepping it through. Drop the back knee, untuck the toes. Maybe you come up onto the fingertips for your low lunge. Exhale, shift it back, Ardha Hamananasana. Inhale brings you forwards, look up. Exhale rounds you back. Inhale brings you forwards. The exhale takes you back. Inhale forwards. Exhale back. Now as you inhale, looking forwards, planting that palm, tucking the back toes, reaching that left arm up towards the sky, easy twist. Now this time, right foot hops in. I've swapped sides so I'm facing you, but your right foot hops in and you make your way to the shoelace pose. Now one side might feel different from the other, that's absolutely fine. Once you arrive here, reaching the arms up, palms come to touch. Exhale, hands come to heart center, and you twist towards the left side. Well done. Right elbow is hooking onto that left thigh. Closing down the eyes here. The inhales take you taller. The exhales twist you deeper. Well done. Beautiful. As you inhale, coming back to center. Unraveling the legs. This time the left leg extends out long. This time the left leg extends out long, flexing that foot. Inhale, reach the arms up. Little twist so the heart's in line with the toes. Exhale and we fold. Beautiful. Flexing that foot. And simply reaching for whatever's near the hands. Beautiful. Can the forehead soften? Can the lips soften? Well done. Beautiful. As you inhale, slowly rising up. Right hand comes down behind right hip. Inhale, stargazer's pose. Lift those hips up. Exhale, sitting the hips down. Both hands come to the front of the mat. Straighten up that left leg. A little bit of strength brings you into your pigeon pose. Taking a moment to arrive, allowing the weight to just settle into the middle. And then as you exhale, starting to fold forwards, maybe onto the elbows, maybe onto the forehead. Allowing everything to be heavy. Well done. On your next inhale, rising back up, sitting onto the right hip, swinging that left leg around and coming to sit with the legs in front of you here. Once you arrive, flexing the feet, reaching the arms up. Exhale, we begin to fold forwards, Paschimottanasana. Again, you can reach for the strap, the ankles, maybe the fingers come to the big toes. And then allowing the chin to tuck in, the back to stay as flat as possible, thinking tummy towards your thighs. Beautiful. Simply allowing yourself to re-find that gentle breath. Letting this practice really settle into the body. Well done. As you inhale, slowly rising up, we're making our way onto the back of the body, hugging the knees in. A little rock from side to side. If any supine twists would feel good here, please feel free to take them. You have about 5 more breaths just to take whatever would feel nourishing for your body here. Maybe you're just rocking in a Vipassana with me, giving the body a hug, giving it time to simply nourish, settle. Maybe you're circling the knees. And then when you feel ready, we meet back, knees hugging into the chest. And as you exhale, we release into our final resting pose, our Shavasana, allowing the legs to extend, the shoulders to roll under, the palms to face upwards. As you arrive here, taking a deep breath in, filling up the body. Exhale, sigh it out through the mouth. Letting everything simply melt down. Allowing the body to really settle into a state of feeling gentle and at ease. Everything softens. Beautiful. The lips soften. The shoulders melt down. Allowing yourself these last few moments just to be here. Feel ready, you can begin to wiggle the fingers and toes, creating gentle movement. slowly make your way up to a comfortable seat. Once you arrive here, reaching the arms up towards the sky, palms come to touch, thumbs to forehead center for kindness in your thoughts, thumbs to the lips for kindness in your words, thumbs to heart center for kindness in your heart. Bowing forwards, namaste. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for this gentle flow. I did actually pick a card for you based off of today's practice. It's a little bit windy here, but this card is all around really tuning into the people around you that have a heart like your own, settling into those that have familiar hearts, that share your loves, your passions, that share your outlook, and also knowing that if you're in search of those people, they're also in search of you too. So how can you create more time to be in alignment with them and trust that they are finding their way towards you? If you enjoyed this practice, please do let me know. Pop a comment, a like, whatever it might be. Share this practice with someone else who might enjoy it. But otherwise, I'm sending you so much love, and I will see you here on our next class on Soul Shala. Bye guys.